Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. Okay, what we have here is the Q15 smartwatch, and this time, after installing the support app as well as checking its menus and features of the smartwatch, we are here to check on the different watch faces available for our Q15 smartwatch. Okay, so far it is already preloaded with several watch faces. Okay, you can change it by swiping. Okay, so as you can see here, several cool watch faces is available for the wearable. Okay, so we have digital, we have analog. Okay, as you can see here, and we have some dynamic watch faces here with different information available on the smartwatch. As you can see here, we have the date, time, the heart rate, the distance, and the calories. We even have a weather here, as you can see. Okay, what else? Okay, so we have some cool watch faces. This one we downloaded it earlier just to try it out. Okay, we have some familiar watch faces here. At least several watch faces is available for this smartwatch. Okay, so we are going to download additional watch faces for this smartwatch. Okay, so let's try and check it out in the HRYFine support app. Okay, so again, if you have any questions regarding the video demo, just drop a comment below. Okay, so let's open the support app. Okay, as you can see, we are already paired. Let's look for the watch face section. Okay, so we have here the dial. Tap on dial. And here we have at least 3 sections. My dial. I guess these are the downloaded watch faces. Dial Mall. This is where you download the watch faces. And DIY dial. Do-it-yourself dial. This is a custom watch face section. Okay, let's go first to the dial mall and let's look for a free watch faces. We have here recommended watch faces and we have a new product listing. So let's try this new product listing. Okay, so let's look. So more of a Christmas theme here. Okay, not really that interesting, but anyway, let's just try to download one. Okay, let's try this one. Is it free? Okay, no. Let's go to the bottom part. We have a free watch face. Seems like we don't have any free watch face here. Okay, let's go to the recommended. Okay. Let's look. 6.0. Okay, so we have here a free watch face. Okay. We have one. Okay, we have this one. It's like a card. I guess this is the one of the negative thing, okay, feature of the HRYFine app. It has a comprehensive list of watch faces, but when it comes to design, very limited. Okay, only few do have a very good design. So this is 12 MB redeemed now. So let's try. Congratulations, it has been exchanged successfully. Use immediately. Okay, so let's check. Okay, we are now downloading and now it is being pushed to our smartwatch. We are on 41%. Okay, so we have downloaded it successfully. Okay, it's cool looking watch face. Simple but looks cool. Okay, I'm interested in this new product listing. We'll see if we can get a free watch face. Okay, so we have here a free one. This one, only one. Okay, we also have this. Okay, let's try this one. Redeem now. Use immediately. Okay, so let's see. 30%. Okay, that's it. Okay, so very fast downloading and synchronization. It's a cool looking watch face. Okay, so go back. Let's check on my dial. So we have at least 2 watch faces here. Okay, downloaded to our support app. Okay, then let's go to the do it yourself dial. This is a custom dial or custom watch face. So we have here, okay, the default. So select picture, and let's pick one. This one, my favorite. Then please select, check. Okay, completed. Go back, let's see. Oh, nope. Again, let's do it. Tap, select, completed. Okay, now let's crop the photos. Check, and we have here a preview of our watch face. Let's pick a color for the time. Okay, then check. Okay, then you can set the data that is available on your watch face. For example, we have the heart rate, the date. Okay, then save and use. Okay, it's now being pushed to our smartwatch. So let's see if we'll have a successful downloading of the custom watch face for our Q15 smartwatch. Okay, 78%, and we're done. Okay, so that's it, and we have a good time here. Okay, 12-hour standard time, 1:32 p.m. Okay, for other smartwatches, it is only they can only set it to 24-hour military standard time and not the usual 12-hour standard time. Okay, save and use. Okay, so let's see this one. We downloaded it twice. Okay, that's it. Then go back, and we have successfully changed our watch face from downloadable watch faces to custom watch faces. Okay, so that's it. So again, if you have any questions regarding the Q15 smartwatch, specifically the watch face section or this video tutorial, please drop a comment below, and of course we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Goodbye.